Before we begin, if you want to be the first to know about exciting nosy videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video. We promise to always bring you thrilling videos and amazing information. Honeybees play a vital role in our ecosystem. Their complex behaviors and remarkable abilities have fascinated scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. A honeybee's body is divided into three main parts: the head, thorax, and abdomen. The head houses the eyes and antennae, essential for navigation and communication. The thorax contains wings and legs, enabling flight. The abdomen holds the digestive and reproductive organs. Bees have 5 eyes, 2 large compound eyes and 3 smaller simple eyes, ocelli, on top of their heads, which help them navigate and detect light intensity. Honeybees undergo a complex life cycle. Eggs laid by the queen hatch into larvae, which are fed by worker bees. The larvae spin cocoons and pupate, eventually emerging as adult bees. Worker bees live for about 6 weeks, drones for a few months, and the queen can live for several years. During their lifespan, worker bees perform various tasks, including foraging, nursing the young, and defending the hive. Honeybees communicate the location of food sources through a waggle dance. The direction and duration of the dance convey the distance and direction of the food source relative to the sun's position. This sophisticated form of communication allows bees to efficiently share information about nectar sources with other members of the hive. Honeybees contribute to the pollination of 75% of flowering plants worldwide, including 35% of global food crops. Without bees, many of the fruits, vegetables, and nuts we rely on would become scarce. Their pollination services are essential for the production of numerous crops, making them indispensable to agriculture and food security. To produce just 1 pound of honey, bees must visit approximately 2 million flowers and fly over 55,000 miles. Honey has medicinal properties, including antibacterial and antioxidant effects. The production of honey involves bees collecting nectar from flowers, which they then process and store in the hive as honey. The queen bee is the heart of the hive, laying all the eggs. A queen can lay up to 2,000 eggs per day. Her presence and pheromones maintain the social structure of the hive. The queen's primary function is reproduction, ensuring the survival and growth of the colony. Honeybee populations have been declining due to pesticide exposure, habitat loss, and climate change. Colony collapse disorder poses a significant threat to biodiversity and agriculture. This phenomenon has raised concerns about the future of pollination services and the health of ecosystems worldwide. Despite small brains, honeybees exhibit remarkable intelligence. They can recognize human faces, solve problems, and understand the concept of zero. Studies have shown that bees possess cognitive abilities that rival those of some vertebrates, demonstrating their complex neural processing. Drones, the male bees, are responsible for mating with a virgin queen. After mating, drones die. They do not participate in nectar gathering and are expelled before winter. Their sole purpose is reproduction, and they play no role in the daily activities of the hive. Worker bees live for about 6 weeks during summer. They perform various tasks, including foraging, nursing the young, and defending the hive. Worker bees born in late fall can live several months. The extended lifespan of winter-born workers allows them to survive through the colder months and maintain the hive's survival. Honeybees navigate using the sun's position, landmarks, and Earth's magnetic field. They can travel up to 5 miles from the hive in search of food. Their exceptional navigation skills enable them to locate and return to the hive after foraging trips, even when the environment changes. Beeswax is used to build the honeycomb. It serves as storage for honey and pollen and as nurseries for the brood. Beeswax has been used by humans for candles, cosmetics, and food preservation. The production of beeswax involves the secretion of wax scales from specialized glands on the underside of the abdomen, which bees then mold into hexagonal cells. Climate change alters nectar flows, disrupting bees' foraging patterns. Extreme weather events also damage hives and reduce bee populations, threatening their survival. Changes in temperature and precipitation can affect the availability of flowering plants, impacting the timing and success of foraging trips. Swarming occurs when a colony splits into 2 or more colonies. This usually happens in spring when the hive becomes overcrowded. Swarming is a natural reproductive process, allowing bees to establish new colonies and expand their range. Honeybees contribute significantly to the economy through their pollination services. It's estimated that bees contribute over $15 billion to the U.S. economy by pollinating crops. Their role in agriculture supports the production of a wide variety of fruits, vegetables, and nuts, which are essential to human diets. Have you ever wondered how bees can work with such precision and coordination? If you found this video interesting, make sure to subscribe to Nosy and like this video to stay updated with more exciting content.